This one says karma sauce. I don't even know how hot it is. At this point, it don't matter. Sweating, eyes running. Hey, welcome back to Out to Smoke. I'm Malcolm, this is Mark, and we're doing the Hot Ones Challenge today. I know, Mark, you send me those videos all the time. I've watched a bunch of them. You've watched a bunch of them. We see the guys on there. It's usually a celebrity or somebody trying all these hot sauces. Well, we ordered them. I added the Killer Hogs as the first one we're gonna try. We took out one of theirs. I think it was the Desert Heat or whatever. That's okay. We still got the Bomb. We still got the Scorpion Disco. We still got the Apollo. Those are the ones I'm scared about. You ready to do it, Mark?
I'm ready.
So the way this works, we've got 10 different sauces. We've got 10 wings, and we're gonna try them all a wing at a time. And we're actually got a question ready. We don't know what they are. I'm gonna ask Mark one. We're gonna talk about the wing, and we're gonna talk about the question and answer. You're gonna do the same thing, right?
It's gonna be a good
We've got
time.
some cold Miller Lights. You're gonna open one. I'm gonna
start off with the water. I don't want to get too carbonated just yet.
I don't know what we're gonna need. I've got me some ranch to dip it in. I got me some water. We don't have any milk, but we do have some Pepto and Mylanta, and I'm sure they're out of the screen on Hot Ones too. But first off, we're gonna start with Killer Hogs hot sauce. This is my hot sauce. It's an Eaton hot sauce, Mark. You've had it.
One of my favorites.
It's got a garlic note to it, but we're gonna put that on a wing and get the party started, all right?
Might as well.
You gotta put a good bit, you know. You can't just half-ass it. So Mark, I'm gonna start off with the first question. Now I know it's probably been a long time ago, but do you remember what was the very first smoker that you ever learned or started cooking on?
Yeah, I sure did. You gotta get the wing down. It's a good wing.
That's a good wing.
My first smoker was a Masterbuilt propane. I got it for Christmas. Santa Claus brought it to me. I said, man, I'm gonna cook for the family the next day. I went and got like 6 whole chickens, and I promise you I burned a quart of wood on them chickens. And it was
On the propane smoker?
Oh yeah, we gotta put the wood to it. It was terrible. It was the worst meal of my life. Like, my family loves me to death. They tried to eat it, but it was not good chicken.
How long did that smoker last?
Still got it. I still got it. It's out in the shop. I hadn't fired it up, but I still have it. And it ain't in bad shape. And it was, once you figured it out, it was a good little pit. It wasn't bad at all.
So that's one. You're keeping that one for the museum?
Yeah.
One of these days?
Clear coat it, make it look pretty. But that's what we all start from somewhere, and I learned a lot on that pit.
That's right, that's right. What's up now?
We got the classic. Smells pretty good. Have to give it a pat, I think.
So this one says the classic hot sauce. Heat level is probably like #1 on their scale. I'll give it a good douse. I'm not scared of the classic. See some pepper flakes in it.
A little thicker.
A little thicker.
All right, Malcolm. Out of all the steaks you've ate in your lifetime, where was the worst place and worst steak you've ever ate?
Wow. The worst steak I've ever had. I'm probably gonna say Golden Corral. Somewhere like, I mean, for real. I worked at Golden Corral temporarily for like half a shift, but the Golden Corral used to be a steakhouse, and then they went to like buffet food, and I think it's because they don't know how to cook steaks. But I've never had one that was good there, and that's, if I had to pick one place, I would say they're just using cheap beef, selling a cheap steak.
Ain't nobody behind the counter cooking
Yeah,
it.
so I'm gonna go with Golden Corral.
All right.
All right, moving on. We're on to sauce number 3, Mark. This is jalapeno. It's an artisanal chili sauce. Got a green tinge to it. I'm guessing it's jalapeno, right?
I think so.
So we're gonna put this green sauce on, jalapeno. And I'm gonna ask you this, another question. This is an easy question. Since we're doing this hot sauce challenge, what's the hottest thing you ever ate? The hottest.
The only thing that comes to mind is that mango habanero wing we had in Galax.
Ooh.
That was up there, and it was not expected. I was expecting like Buffalo Wild Wings. Nah.
I'm gonna say this, mango habanero is about as hot as I like to go. Like these, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do them, honestly. Buffalo Wild Wings got a good mango habanero. When I go there, I usually get some. I don't get all mango habanero because it gets your nose running. You feel it, it's got a sweetness, offsets it. But that one that you're talking about up in Galax at
It lit me
McAdoo's,
up.
that's probably one of the hottest things I've ever ate.
And it started out mild. It was a little sweet. I was like, oh, this ain't bad. And by the time you got done swallowing it, it was like, oh my God, here it comes.
This sauce here's good.
It's sweeter than I
It's got a
thought
little
it'd be.
sweet sauce. It's you know, you taste some jalapeno in it. It's not hot at all.
I don't know what this is. This looks like some olive oil, Worcestershire.
Is this the next one?
This is the next one. Spicy habanero and manzano chili.
It looks like a glaze or something.
was kind of saying motor oil, but
Yeah. I don't know about this one.
yeah, I don't know.
I do not know about this one. It goes on thin.
We'll take a bite and see. I'll let you get one down. I'll hit you with the question.
I put probably more than I wanted to. I don't know. It tastes like pancake syrup almost. You get a pancake syrup
Like
flavor?
maple.
Yeah.
It's a delayed heat.
I don't get
Ain't
it.
bad. All right.
It's got a little. It's got. I wouldn't call it habanero though.
So you said you used to work at Golden Corral.
I did.
Tell me your half shift story. How'd that pan out?
You set these questions up. So in high school, I was working at Cracker Barrel. Well, I might have been first year of college. I was working at Cracker Barrel. Par 3 Cracker Barrel. Now some heat's coming on now. I feel some splash from that habanero now. Par 3 chef at Cracker Barrel. I was probably making, back in the day, $7.58 an hour. Well, Golden Corral came to town. I go in. They asked me if I had some, chef training before. I'm like, yeah, man. I've been working at Cracker Barrel. I've been here for a whole year. I made it to par 3. I'm on up at the Cracker Barrel system. Great, we're gonna put you on the grill cooking steaks. I said, all right. They said, here's the steaks. They opened up these 2 big double reach-in refrigerators, and they got the alphabet all the way down, A through Z. And as tickets come in, they're supposed to have the alphabet loaded with the steak and the doneness and all that. And I said, I can figure things out. I can probably do that. They handed 100 tickets, and they have all over the alphabet, all different donenesses, and I panicked. I didn't know what to do. I just took all the steaks. I had them all on the grill. I was cooking all of them to different degrees of doneness, and I would try. I got confused. This went on for about a 4-hour shift on a Friday. And about that time, somebody came in there and told me I needed to take a break. I said, all right, I'm gonna run out to my car. I hit the parking lot, and I took it to the house.
Never checked up.
Never checked up. All right, here's what's next.
I'll let you try to pronounce that one.
La Caliente's barbacoa hot sauce. This one might be interesting here. It says heat level 4 out of 10. That ain't nothing.
Nah, we're good.
That ain't nothing. 4 out of 10. I'm gonna give it ooh, that smells good. It smells like Southwestern. All right, here we go. That's a good sauce. Smoky,
Barbecue.
has that chili flavor. It's like a Mexican style flavor, Southwest, I guess you call it. Got some spice, not hot.
Pretty mild though.
What is it you like the most about the barbecue lifestyle?
I mean, what is there not to like? You get to eat good, you meet a ton of great people. I mean, you gotta look at the places we travel. And there's places I never would have thought. I never would have took a vacation in Gay Lax, Virginia, but I'm glad I did,
Got a grand championship there.
I mean, it was definitely worth it. But I mean, it is. It's the people. It's the place you get to see, and I mean, it's good eating. And that's me right there. No stress. It's a lot better than being a supervisor at Caterpillar. I ain't gonna lie. We on the ginger
6.
goats.
We're getting hotter.
I like the ginger though.
What'd you think about the barbecue?
That's been my favorite, minus the killer hogs, and that's been my favorite one so far.
Is this some curry or mustardy or?
It smells like straight up ginger ale.
It's got a ginger?
Yeah, it's ginger goat.
Okay.
Need that. Cheers.
Cheers to you. So far, what do you think?
Ain't nothing
Easy
to it.
peasy?
Ain't nothing to it.
First 6 are nothing. Like, I could order these at a restaurant. Got a little burn on this ginger goat.
Oh, ginger goat sneak up on you. All
Ooh,
right.
I should have dipped that one in ranch.
So Malcolm, you know a bunch of chefs in the world. There's a bunch on TV. If you could have one chef cook for you, just you, your personal meal, who would it be? And why?
Gosh, I'm gonna go probably Emeril Lagasse. I've ate at one of his restaurants in New Orleans, his flagship. Got to sit at the chef's table. He wasn't there, but his executive chef cooked for us like that. It's the best meal I ever had in my life. If I could sit down with him and him do a meal like that, hold on.
We almost there. We got 4 more.
Oh, that's hot. That one sneaks up on you.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at first. It was mild.
Yeah, but who would you say?
I can't think of his name. I had it in my mind. The old Cajun chef,
Justin Wilson?
Justin Wilson. You know you'd have to eat good.
You know you would, yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Now, we may be on the Pepto after that show too, but
What about Morimoto eating sushi, though?
that'd be a top one. I don't know. I think that's a different experience,
I'm on fire. I ain't gonna lie. It's hot. We're there. All right, number 7. We got to move on.
That's you.
This is called Love Burns. Hotter than L. Love Burns, handcrafted, Sanford, Florida.
Shake it up good. You You ain't got but 4 more. We're over the hump. We're going downhill
Can
now.
we go to the ranch?
You do you.
I haven't even tried the sauce yet.
It's getting entertaining now.
Yeah. I would have got some meat. I guess up in them nasal cavities.
What's that question, Malcolm? Come on.
All right, Mark. I dug way back for this one. Here's an early pick. What's going on here? Looks like you got something with some horns on it, and I wanted to know, did you cook it?
Man,
What?
I didn't even get to kill that deer.
You didn't kill it?
I didn't kill that deer.
What was you taking pictures with it for?
My best friend Hunter killed it.
I don't know about you, I'm sweating.
It's getting warm in here. And we just now got to the bomb.
Oh no. Do we have to do them all?
I mean, we're already there, just 3 more. You done ate 7, might as well just get 3
Yeah,
more.
but the first 6 was easy. My nose is running.
This one's real thick.
I'm sweating. The bomb evolution hot sauce. Oh God, why do I do this? We'll spread it around. So I ain't just taking it all.
Cheers. We out there now. All right, Malcolm. Out of all the YouTube videos you filmed in your lifetime, what has been your worst one? The one you wish back you could go back and do again, get rid of, delete. What has been your worst one?
I don't know. Oh man, this one.
It's a good one.
I don't want to do this one no more. I've had one in particular on Yellow Kitchen days. I've done some salmon, put it on a platter, and then used like grapefruit, limes, or some other citrus, and it was horrendous.
I can remember
That was a bad one.
you done some blue crabs one time. I remember I walked in that afternoon, I was like, "Daggum, what have y'all been cooking in here?"
That one's hot.
It don't go away neither.
No.
Let's see if a Miller Lite cools it off anymore. Scorpion Disco. We're stepping up now.
This one says karma sauce. I don't even know how hot it is. At this point, it don't matter. Sweating, eyes running,
You out of breath over there?
out of breath, water, not helping. Ready?
Yeah,
I gotta ask another question.
you do. You got enough over there? Mm-hmm. Oh, there it comes. It's coming now.
This is the dumbest thing I've ever done. I ain't gonna lie, I've done some dumb stuff in my life. But eat this, whoa.
We're down to one more though. What's that question? Come on.
All right, if there's one piece of advice you could give somebody that's wanting to get into barbecue, what would it be coming from Mark Williams? Don't eat the last 3 hot sauces on the Hot One Challenge.
Hey, don't give up. Keep cooking. That's one of the things, don't get discouraged.
Yeah.
Learn your cooker, then learn your recipes. Don't over smoke it. Don't put too much wood on it. Start out light. It's getting hot.
Yeah, I'm with you. And don't rush things. Take your time. Barbecue's
Don't
like you
use any
said.
of these sauces for a barbecue sauce.
Barbecue's like you said, man. It's about family, good times, having fun.
I mean, our
some
bro-
of us get to do it for a living. If you want to do it, you can. Like you said, don't stop. Keep doing what you do.
I've ruined some meals before, but I mean, that's part of it.
Yeah. So every day's a lesson.
It's getting hotter. That's freaking hot. That's real hot.
All right, Mark, we got one more. Let's take a minute. Hold on. Give me a second. Had to get some extra paper towel.
I'm gonna go ahead and get the water ready. Water don't help.
Fill me
though.
back up. Water don't help. Nothing helps. On this show, last one, you got to put that last dab or whatever. So I won't be able to go. The last dab, Apollo. How hot's this one supposed to be?
It ain't at the last for no reason.
Oh, man.
All right. This is
We are
dumb.
fools.
This is dumb. Cheers.
Last one. You got one more question?
Help. That ain't good.
Uh-uh. I don't know what to do.
All right, Malcolm. When you shot your first YouTube video, did you ever think you'd be where you are right now? And if so, looking back, and if you could know that you were here right now, what would you do different?
Man, I would have started way sooner. Tell you what, I mean, looking back, we didn't know what YouTube was when we first started doing it. It was just a way to share a video because they wouldn't know what to email them to get them to people. So, knowing now, I mean, could have had a lot more stuff in place and better equipment and maybe took a few lessons or something, but we learned everything we knew on the fly and still learning. So, I mean, I wouldn't change anything we've done. I think starting a little bit earlier probably been a little further along, but it's just still a journey we're on. And just enjoy sharing what we're doing.
I ain't enjoying sharing this with you though.
No, this is bad. Mark, we made it all the way through. These sauces, the last 4 were super hot, hottest I ever ate in my life.
Yeah.
Way hotter than mango habanero. Appreciate everybody hanging out with us. Probably gonna go drink that bottle of Malanta. But if y'all like what we're doing, subscribe to Out the Smoke here. Mark, where can they find you?
Y'all can find us at Swine Life BBQ, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Let us know if you got any questions. We ain't doing this again.
No, I will not be eating this again. This is a one and done, I hope.
My ears are stopping up.
Here's your stop and done. Y'all know y'all can find me, HowtoBBQRight, on all the platforms. We're also on Facebook and Instagram without the smoke. We appreciate a like there. This one was tough, and I may need to go to the doctor. I don't know. We'll see y'all.
We'll see y'all.
Holy smokes.